Hey everyone, welcome back to YouTech. Have you ever spent hours or even days researching for a paper, writing reports, or trying to organize academic content only to feel completely overwhelmed? Well, what if I told you there's a tool that can act just like a human researcher, doing all the planning, researching, and even writing for you? Yes, you heard that right. Today, I'm going to introduce you to Resea AI, also known as Research with Academic Agent. This incredible AI tool can autonomously plan research tasks, gather the most relevant information from multiple sources, and even write high-quality research papers. The link to Resea AI is available in the description below, so make sure to check it out. After signing up, you can click on Web App, and here we are, inside the dashboard. You can type your research prompt directly or even attach your files. For example, let's say I want to research the role of digital storytelling in enhancing later literacy skills in primary education. I hit enter, and Resea AI immediately starts working on it. First, Resea AI creates a task description: academic paper style, formal academic tone, target audience, educators and researchers. Word count between 5,000 and 7,000 words. Next, it generates a task execution plan. This includes 3 main phases. Thinking phase, here. Resea AI analyzes the relationship between digital storytelling and literacy development. Research phase, it gathers current theories, studies, and academic papers related to digital storytelling in primary education. Writing phase, finally, it drafts your research paper. If you want, you can revise the plan before starting. Once you're happy, you just click Start Search. Resea AI begins with a mind map, also called mind thinking. Here it breaks down the topic and analyzes relationships, identifies key theoretical frameworks, highlights educational benefits. Then it moves on to deep research. It performs multiple search rounds, visiting different websites to collect data. You can even watch it filter web pages live, keeping only the most authentic and high quality sources. Once it finds high-value web pages, it reads them carefully, summarizes key points, and reviews the content. Then it starts round 2. During this entire process, you can watch Resea AI work in real time, visiting websites, collecting data, and summarizing findings. It's almost like having a live research assistant who never misses a detail. By the time it finishes, Resea AI has not only collected a wealth of information, but also organized it logically, making the next step, creating an outline, seamless and efficient. After completing the deep research, Resea AI moves into the outline and writing phase, where your paper really starts to take shape. First, it creates detailed outlines based on all the data it has collected. These outlines are organized logically, including sections, subsections, and key points for your paper. At this stage, you can review the outlines and make adjustments. You can delete any headings that you don't need, add points or sections from your side, or revise the order of the headings to match your preferred structure. Once you are happy with the outline, you click Start Writing, and Resea AI begins drafting your paper. Now, this is where the tool really shines. You can watch as it writes in real time. It uses all the research it has gathered to create a well-structured, formal academic paper. Depending on the complexity of the topic, this can take just a few seconds or a few minutes, but you don't need to do anything during this time. Once the draft is complete, Resea AI provides the full report, and in our example, it generated a 5,200 word paper. Every citation in your paper is fully clickable. This means you can click on any link to read the full source and explore more details directly from the original study or article. Resea AI supports multiple citation styles, including APA, MLA, Chicago, and Harvard, so you can choose the one that fits your requirements. This feature ensures that your paper is not only academically correct, but also transparent and easy to verify. You can dive deeper into any reference, which is especially helpful for educators and researchers who want to check the sources. You can review and edit any section of the text. Use formatting tools to bold, italicize, underline, or highlight key points. If you need more content, Write with AI can expand sections or add more details automatically. Finally, you can export the completed paper to your PC, ready to share, submit, or use in presentations. Resea AI ensures your research is professional, accurate, and easy to manage, with full access to sources and citations at your fingertips. Now, let's talk about pricing. Resea AI offers different plans depending on your needs. Basic plan, $12 per month. Plus, plan $24 per month. Pro plan, $48 per month. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, comment your thoughts, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing AI tool reviews. Also, I'd love to know in the comments, what kind of academic or AI tools do you want me to explore next? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.